What is going on, everyone? Welcome in today's video on how to buy MINA tokens on Coinbase. As you can see, I'm already logged into our Coinbase account, and after that we will head over to the three options on the right top corner. We will click the buy and sell option. After that, the purchasing overview will be opened, and as you can see, they will give you an option to select the buying frequency. As you can see, the one-time purchase is already selected. If you would like to buy them repeatedly, then just click on it and change the frequency to the one which suits to you. After that, we can go back and fill in the amount of cash we would like to use for this purchase. Let's say 100 euros. After that, we can select our asset we would like to buy, the coin, and that is the MINA token. Tick it in, and after that it will appear in the list. Click on it, and now it's selected. Now we have to select our payment method to buy these coins, and you can change it or add maybe a new payment method if there isn't any available payment method to select. If you can't add a payment method, you just can simply check if your Coinbase account is verified. After that, you should be able to add a payment method by clicking this button below. Once you have added a payment method, we can click on Review Order, and then we can check out some information about the purchase we are going to make. As you can see, I'm paying 100 euros. We are spending that amount of money on these coins, and I don't pay any Coinbase fees. That is because I have a Coinbase One subscription, and definitely check that out if you want to save some money on the Coinbase fee, because it's very expensive if you buy a lot of crypto daily or weekly. Now you can also select the investment weekly, and then you will be spending 100 euros on this coin every week. You can cancel it at any time, so don't worry, and after that you can click on buy now to add those coins to your Coinbase account. Hopefully this was very helpful, and we would like to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys, bye bye!